Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of jewelry making with an essential tool that has earned the title of the best silver beading wire on the market. The BENECREAT 240 feet 0.015-inch 7-strand bead string wire. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting your creative journey, this wire is designed to elevate your craft. As we explore the features of this exceptional product, you'll discover why it's favored by crafters and jewelry makers alike. Let's start with the basics. The BENECREAT bead string wire is made from 304 stainless steel, which is renowned for its durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. This means your creations will not only look beautiful but also stand the test of time, making it an ideal choice for long-lasting jewelry. What sets this beading wire apart is its nylon coating. This feature not only provides a smooth finish but also enhances comfort during use, allowing beads to glide effortlessly onto the wire. The wire measures 0.015 inches in thickness, which is approximately 0.38 millimeters. Despite its slim profile, the 7-strand design gives it remarkable strength and flexibility. This strength is crucial when crafting delicate pieces like necklaces or bracelets, as it helps maintain their shape, while providing the durability needed to withstand everyday wear. Let's talk about its practical applications. The BENECREAT bead string wire is incredibly versatile. Whether you're making necklaces, anklets, or bracelets, this wire is perfect for all your jewelry making needs. It's also great for various craft projects, including wind chimes or decorative elements in home decor. Plus, if you need extra strength, you can easily double it up, making it adaptable for various types of beads, including heavier ones. Using the wire is straightforward, thanks to its flexibility. Simply cut the desired length, thread your beads, and secure the ends with your preferred clasps. The nylon coating also helps prevent fraying, ensuring a clean finish for your projects. If you're looking to achieve intricate designs, the softness of the wire allows for easy manipulation, making it ideal for creating spirals or loops. In conclusion, the BENECREAT 240 feet 0.015-inch 7-strand bead string wire is truly a game-changer for anyone passionate about jewelry making. Its combination of strength, flexibility, and user-friendly features make it the best silver beading wire available. Whether you're crafting a unique piece for yourself or a thoughtful gift for a loved one, this wire will undoubtedly help you unleash your creativity and bring your vision to life. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Keep crafting, and we'll see you in the next video.